This is Asakusa, a 17th century Tokyo district that's one of the capital's biggest tourist attractions. A great way to see its sights is from the seat of a rickshaw. Welcome! Just climb up here. Watch your step. The rickshaw puller lifts up the poles and you're off. See you later! Because you're riding so high, you get a great view of everything you pass. And the relaxed pace is just right. Faster than walking, slower than a car. The rickshaw puller is your guide, explaining each sight along the way. That's Tokyo Sky Tree. It's 634 meters tall. He'll sometimes stop to explain things, sometimes providing a running commentary as you move. This area used to be covered by shallow seawater. Most people pick a ride of between 30 minutes and an hour. And you're free to choose your own route to see the sights you want. In a rickshaw, you can explore back streets too narrow for cars to pass. Asakusa is famous for its many shrines and temples. And a quick prayer at a shrine is a fine way to conclude our rickshaw journey. Thank you so much for choosing my rickshaw today. The rickshaw was invented in Japan in the second half of the 19th century. At its peak, the country had over 210,000 rickshaw operators. Made redundant by modern forms of transportation, today rickshaws live on mostly to carry tourists. This is a workshop specializing in making rickshaws. Matsuoka Fumitake became fascinated by rickshaws and worried that the knowledge of how to construct them would die out. I think the rickshaw is such a beautiful vehicle, perfect in its design and function. Each rickshaw is assembled painstakingly by hand. There are about 100 parts. Everything must be precisely aligned. A part out by just 1 millimeter makes it harder to pull and not so smooth to ride. Matsuoka is an innovator too, producing rickshaws illuminated with LEDs and special versions for weddings. All kinds of characters choose to become rickshaw pullers, and half the fun is chatting with them as you ride. There are many who speak English, and more women are taking it up too. In this job, I meet so many different kinds of people I'd never have the chance to talk to otherwise. Rickshaws have really expanded my view of the world. Riding in comfort, enjoying the pleasant breeze, pulled along by a human guide. There's no better way to enjoy the sights.